Hello guys, today I've got the VIVO X300 FE and I'm going to show you how to use the always on display in this device. This is actually the easiest option to set up. How to do that? Open the settings and here tap home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Tap always on display and enable it. Here, as you can see, the description is show information such as battery level, time and notifications on the AOD. We can enable either full screen AOD or partial AOD. If we tap more AOD settings, we are brought to the section of display mode, tap screen or erase, move phone slightly, scheduled all day. So you can select it up to your own needs. Here, always on display for new notifications. Here we've got the styles of our always on display. And if we tap this button, we can see more of them. To apply one of them, just tap. I, for example, love this one, so let me tap this stick icon. And now we are here. It's all set up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye!